Hi, this is Leslie of leslieborrows.com. Today I'd like to quickly show you how to set up a free blog website. There are many platforms out there through which you can get free blogs, but I'm going to show you today Wordpress.com. Okay, now this is one of the top blogging sites out there. It is better to have your own self-hosted website blog because it gives you greater flexibility on what you can do within your site, but this is a good starting point, but it does have some restrictions, but that's a topic for another day. So you'll see by coming to wordpress.com you get this orange button saying get started, and this then takes you to a page where you can simply enter the information that is required to request your free blog site. So first of all, it asks for your email address. Now you can only have one free blog site per email address. So by entering my email address, you'll see here on the right hand side a green tick, which confirms that that email address has not yet got a WordPress blog site assigned to it. It then asks for a username, and this is the username that you will use to log into your site to be able to input all of the information on your pages and your blog posts. Again, by entering that and moving to the next field, it checks that it's available. So a green tick says it's okay to use that. If not, a red cross would come up. It would give you suggested alternatives, or you can just simply keep entering different usernames until you find one that is available. You then need to enter a password, again, to access your back office to be able to enter all of your information. And then finally, the blog address that you want your WordPress site to be assigned to. So this is what your website name will be: www.learnwithlesley.wordpress.com. Okay, now again, you'll see that it's gone away and it's checked that that's available. Give me a green tick. If it wasn't, it would give me a red cross and give me some suggested alternatives. You can also buy other domain names here, as you can see, at a cost, but I'm just going to stick with the wordpress.com free site. So where it's trying to sell me one at a price, I'm just going to say no thank you, I'll use the free address. And again, it continues to try and show me the benefits of actually buying a domain name, but again, that's a topic for another day. We're just going to press ahead with the free blog. Okay, you'll see that it gives you less space to work with, it gives you less functionality to play with, but to get started, the free site is sufficient. So it now tells me to set up my blog. Okay, so my blog title is Learn with Leslie. Now this is the title that will actually show on my website at the top of the page. So I'm just going to make that a little bit more friendly, okay, by using some capital letters and some spaces. And then I'm just going to change my tagline to indicate that I am a home business entrepreneur helping others to make money from home. Okay, and I do want it in English. So I click next step. It will then ask me to give my website a theme, a look and feel that welcomes people. Now there are numerous free themes out there. Okay, so I'm just going to select one to get started with, but I can go in and change that at a later stage. Okay, and then it's asking me to customize. So you'll see that it's showing me here the theme that I've requested to use, and if I click on customize it, it will actually give me the facility to be able to change the colors, the site title, the header. I may want to upload my own header image, but in the beginning, just some very simple text is sufficient. Okay, so I'm not actually going to apply any customization at this moment in time, because by logging in later I can actually do that and show you that separately. So for now I'm just going to click next step, and it then suggests, in order to be able to share your blog posts automatically with your friends and family on Facebook and Twitter, that you can connect your blog post to your Twitter and Facebook accounts simply by clicking these buttons and entering your usernames. And therefore, every time you enter a blog post onto your blog, it will automatically load that onto Facebook. But if you want to be able to pick and choose what you share and where you share it, then it's best not to connect your accounts at this time. So I'm just again going to click next step. And now it's suggesting that I create my first blog post. But again, I'll show you that in a separate video. So I'm just going to click next step. And it's now telling me that I need to activate my account, to confirm my account through an email that they have sent me. Okay, so I'm now just going to check back on my email and click the link to confirm that I want my WordPress free blog site. So you can see here from wordpress.com, I have an email, confirm your email address. So I'm just going to click on confirm, and this will now take me back into WordPress, okay, to enable me to actually start working on my WordPress site. And where I can do that is via my dashboard. Okay, and you'll see down here on the left hand side various options that allow me to create blog posts, create pages. Pages are static pages of information such as contact me, find out about me, what support I offer people, what I can do for you, etc. Okay, so I'll come back in a later video and show you how to start setting up all of these different functions.